look at the topic similar triangles. So much like we did in last chapters when we had congruent triangles, we had, what, 3 or 4 different ways that we would identify a congruent triangle. Can anybody give me one of them? Side, side, side. Angle, not angle, angle, angle. Side, angle, side. Angle, side, angle. No ASS. No SSA. Okay. Are we, now that we're all thoroughly confused, right? I think you understand what I'm talking about, correct? Okay, so we have something that we do that's also similar to that with similar triangles. So what do you think I would use for these two triangles being similar? Angle, angle, similarity theorem. Why do, good question, Russ is way ahead of me. Why do we only use angle, angle? Because if this angle is congruent with that angle, and this angle is congruent with that angle, isn't this one automatically congruent with this angle? So we don't need to prove all 3, we only need 2 to make it angle, angle, similarity theorem. What about this one?
Side, side, side.
Side, side, side. And the last one?
Side angle, side angle, side.
Side angle, side. They're never going away, Jane.
Are you serious?
There's proofs in geometry. Exactly, that's why you need to get solid in it. Okay, moving on. Okay, so go ahead and write down this example. Okay, when I see this, I see these parallel lines. Correct? Up in here it says that AB and DC are parallel, and ABC, here's ABC, and DCB are 90 degrees. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything when I look at this triangle and this triangle, other than the fact that they both have 90-degree angles. This side is not congruent with that side, so that doesn't work. So the next thing I'm going to go is say, let's go back and look at this. If I have 2 lines that are parallel, I have a really hard time looking at this and seeing these parallel lines and pulling stuff out of it. So I like to draw a separate set of parallel lines. So that would be this line right here. Right? That's this one. And this one is this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this transversal right here. Actually, this one right here. If I draw that transversal, I should be able to make some comparisons with angles now. Correct? Like what? If I see this, what do I know? 2 angles that are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. So now we can go back to this picture and figure out where that is. Where is this angle over here? Right here. Where is this angle over here? So I look at this triangle right here and this triangle right here, and I say, I wonder if there's anything else, because this side is not congruent with that side. And then all of a sudden, as I'm doing this right here, I go, hey, what do I have here? I have vertical angles. That is congruent with that. So now I have 2 angles that are congruent, which gives me angle, angle, similarity. Well, that's it, but it's, well, I also have to name these triangles now. So triangle, now when I use these colors it's easier. Let's start with the green, go to the one that's not colored, and then go to the purple. So A, B, E. And it makes a difference, right? Is similar to triangle. Let's start with the green up here. C, D, E. Done.